Client onboarding is the most important and the final stage of your service you are providing. After all the discussion, after all the meeting, when a client agreed to start work with you or start to purchase the product with you, then you need to do that process smoothly. It should not be complicated one. Today I will show you how I create a client onboarding A to Z process step by step. It starts with a sales funnel for client onboarding, then creating a product, adding those product, adding payment method, send invoice, send monthly subscription fee, send discount, send coupon code, and all the necessary setup to do the client onboarding smoothly. Depending on your service, you can create your client onboarding funnel. As per our service, I created this funnel. I started with a video. All the process I will record step by step so that client can understand what the client need to do step by step. Then if client doesn't understand watching the video, then I put a onboarding booking calendar. This is a separate calendar for only onboarding client, so they can book a schedule. As per their schedule, I will be available and I will do the client onboarding live so that the client find it very easy. After that, depending on your service, you need to create your different packages. So I created 3 different packages as per our service, this is the price and the monthly subscription, this is the another package, and this is a customized package. Depending on client's requirement, they can book. For an example, if client select this package, then they will click and it will take to the pricing and payment stage. Like after putting all their information, they need to pay with this step. If they select this stage, then it will be same. If they choose a custom package, then they need to book a consultation from the calendar booking automation calendar. With this booking automation, client will send his requirement and I will send my quotation, that how much it will cost, how long it will take, what are the service it will be included. Depending on that, I will send them a proposal. So let's go to the back end of this funnel, how I created this funnel and how I implement all the product payment and everything. So this is the funnel, client onboarding funnel. I created this funnel from scratch. I haven't used any template. I created this as per my requirement. You can see this was created inside GoHighLevel built-in funnel builder. As you can see that there is 2 page. After clicking this page, they need to provide their information. After creating the funnel, I need to create the product. These 2 package, we call it as a product. Price and monthly subscription. Then we need to add those product to the page we are selling, to the funnel we are selling. So to create a product, we need to go to the payment. Inside the payment tab, you can see product. I created only 2 product. Let's customize it. You can add product name, then product description, then the pricing is the important thing. From here you can charge monthly automatically, and also you can charge one-time setup fee. Also you can send a discount for particular days or month. So suppose this is a monthly fee, not a one-time fee, and the monthly fee is $97 and the trial period will 30 days. So after 30 days it will charge. First 30 days it will be free, and the number of payment 1 and setup fee $499. You can create variant also. So that's how you create a product. When product is already created, then you need to add that product. So this is the first page. We are selling that product in the second page. So this is the second page. So in this page we need to add the product. In this page you can see product. So I already added these 2 products. If I add all my detail and go to the next step, then you can see the product is available. You can choose the product and you can make the payment. As I haven't added the payment method, that's why it is saying this. This is the price I am charging. If I want to give certain discount with coupon code, then I can add it that inside this funnel page. So let's edit the page. You can see that coupon option is enabled. If I turn off this, then coupon option is not there. With this coupon I can provide as much discount I want. Let's provide a discount with certain coupon. To create the coupon, let's go to the payment again, then the coupons. Let's create coupon name ABC, coupon code 123456, and select coupon type, percentage or fixed price, percentage, discount offer, 20% start time, create coupon. Now if I refresh the page and go to the next step, you can see the price, and our coupon was 1 2 3 4 5 6, and you can see 20% discount is added. So that's how you can add coupon discount. You can charge monthly, you can give them a free trial. So after that the processing will be done. One thing need to mention, that the invoicing. So if I go to the payment again, then the invoice, create new one. It is monthly, like every month it will charge, and it is new invoice. Let's create a new invoice. Depending on the invoice, how much we are charging for each, we need to create different product and need to add that product for this invoice. So that's how we can create the invoice and charge. After purchasing the package, we will send another automation to our client, that when we will start working depending on my service, like when we will start creating the CRM or SMS automation, appointment booking, chat visit automation, contact us automation. That's how a client onboarding can be created. So if you want to create your client onboarding funnel like this, with all the product, with all the payment method integration, invoicing, monthly charge, sending discount with coupon, then please let us know. I can build more complex automation, more complex sales funnel. You can always reach out to us, info@eMartIT.com, or you can book a free schedule call so that we can discuss more. We are looking forward to work with you. Thank you.